Hi everyone and welcome to $1 Million App Ideas. I'm Pietro Messineo, I'm an indie dev and I successfully exited some apps in the past. And that's why I feel comfortable today in giving you some suggestions or even some recommendations on how you can enlarge your app portfolio. And why not, maybe even make some millions out of it. So in this new format I'm going to unveil 3 app ideas every week. And for each app we're going to see what is the app about, the revenues that made in the last 3 months, the amount of downloads that it got, also how complicated it is to make such an app, and even the potential selling price. The app that we are going to analyze today is a sticker maker application, which basically allows you to create stickers or even to use some sticker packs already made from the community. So, how much money do you think that this app made in the last 3 months? $11.4 thousand. And the reason why I picked this application is because it was particularly interesting to me to notice that they introduced a monetization model back in April, which means that since April till now they made this much amount of money. But let's see another interesting fact: the amount of downloads that this app made. It's $2.43 million. So this completely free application till April made 2.43 million downloads, which is insane. And I actually found it out even that they do have advertisements. And so I guess that their main monetization models was advertisements. And then probably, I actually don't know, they may have been acquired for some third-party company, and that's why they implemented in-app purchases or subscriptions. We will see it very soon. But let's move on about how the complexity of this app. I gave a 3 out of 10 without actually considering the discovery slash database thing where there are all the sticker packs stored for the community to be able to download it and so on. So what could be the potential selling price of this application right now? Well, there are several things to keep in mind. If we keep in mind only the amount of money that we see that are being generated from the App Store, so through in-app purchases or subscriptions, my estimations are $136,000. But considering that this application made 2.43 million downloads in the last 3 months, which is an impressive amount of downloads, this app could worth millions of dollars. And so let's move to the part where I explain you how you can make such an app. You can use all native components, and I'm talking about ML model, but what for? In order to remove background from your actually picture that you upload over there, so you can create an amazing transparent sticker. But that's actually not it. And that's the reason why I added /third party, because for this you can use an already made third party library, which is the background removal. It's using ML model, it's trained, and it's able to extract the main subject in a picture, so you don't have to do the heavy load for you. And when I gave a 3 out of 10, I was referring exactly to this part of the application, which is fairly easy to create a sticker and to be able to export it as a WhatsApp sticker pack, for example. But it may be a little bit more complex, a 4 out of, or maybe 5, in case you want to build your own backend, or it's even easier if you want to use Firebase. But with a 2.43 million downloads, you definitely do not want to use Firebase because you're going to be bankrupt. So it would be the best to have your own backend and your own MongoDB where you can store all the things that people are uploading. Anyway, let's see their new monetization model that went out in April. So their subscription model, so they are subscription based, and they offer 2 variants, $29.99 yearly and $5.99 a month. And this is how it exactly looks like. So what they are actually offering is no advertisements, then verified. Who cares about the verification badge? Then exclusive stickers, which I personally didn't see them. Special fonts and colors. Who cares? I mean, you just care about the image on the sticker, not about the text, because you just give an image. and then more exciting features are coming soon. So it's just pay, we remove the advertisements to you, and that's actually it. $29.99 a year or $6 a month for a sticker maker. Why? Never mind. I don't understand. I don't personally care, but it actually is starting to make money, so it may work. And so the question is always the same: where do I get my first thousands of downloads? Cooperate with an Instagram influencer, for example, or maybe cold mailing some blogs. And if you are good enough, use some third-party tools like Astro or AppFigures, where you can find keywords so you can rank on the App Store. And if you have some budgets, why not even invest them in Apple Search Ads? So the app that I was analyzing today is a sticker.ly. It's a sticker maker, so just go download it. Just for a reference, there is the icon image over there, and you will be able to better understand how the app works. So that wraps up our app idea for today, and I hope that this concept sparks inspiration for your upcoming app portfolio. As usual, little disclaimer, all the data that you saw here are coming from public data tools, which means they may not be accurate and so should be taken as estimates, even though in my past experience they are pretty accurate. As usual, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe even to the Discord community, where we discuss all of these things related to the app growth and new upcoming app ideas, monetizations, and so on. And even follow me on Twitter. See you in the next video.